Si Noah, ang costume niya is a Ghostbuster. Oh my God. Oh, look at that.
So we're gonna walk around here and then we're gonna drive?
Yeah, let's go over there. Let's see first. You want to try that house? You push that up?
Yeah, tata. Right there. Pangga.
Here, your bucket. Here, your bucket.
Go. Bring your bucket.
They're on the table. Over there. You have to go up. No, not there.
They're on the driveway.
The driveway.
Oh. Ghostbuster.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. What did you say? Pangga. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Okay. Happy Halloween.
Right here. Walk past it. What do you say when you go?
On our way back. On our way back.
I'll take your picture.
You can just stand on the curb.
Okay, the curb. Go. Face.
That's a lot of girls you're
Noah,
gonna
you're on
pass.
their lawn.
Turn around over here in the middle.
Look at mommy.
In the middle.
Smile.
Okay, now shoot the girls behind you. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, we have back and drive. We're gonna drive now.
Everybody started by
Yeah, check.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, right there, go. What do you say?
Ghostbusters? There you go.
What did you say?
What do you say?
You're welcome. Happy Halloween.
Come on. Oh, careful. Here, I'll hold your bucket.
I think there's another one.
Like you need.
about that one with the Mickey Mouse? What Mickey Mouse? It's okay. It's not a real spider. Do you need help? Okay, come on, let's go. I'll go walk with you.
You scared of the spider?
Oh, there's a spider on the door. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. You want some too?
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Thank you.
Bye.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
All right. Let's try the Mickey Mouse. Yeah, the Mickey Mouse.
Happy Halloween. Tattoo.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, I want to saw.
Take what off? Your backpack?
Yeah.
Okay, Titi will carry it. You want to put that stuff in there?
There's another one here, oh.
Check this one out. Put on my costume. He wants me to put it on. Okay, give him the other one. Here, Noah. Here, hold this. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Halloween. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Like, please. No?
Oh, you're gonna call? All right.
One more there, oh. Tangga. What about the kids? You want to go there? There's a car. Damo-damo.
What do you
Damo-damo.
say, Noah?
Damo-damo.
Thank you.
What did you say? Puno. Puno.
He saw me to the window.
He did. Oh my goodness, what do you
Oh my God.
You already filled up your bucket. Okay.
Yeah.
He
Oh,
filled
now
up your
I'm carrying
bucket.
everything.
We had that hope. I think we will walk. I was walked out
You a Ghostbuster? Trick or treat. What do you say? Thank you. Happy Halloween.
heavy.
Heavy? Here, I'll carry. Heavy? Here, I'll carry.